Okay, so that just came out of my brain. Like, that's a song I made up. I wrote those lyrics, and that is the music video. No studio, no director, no budget, just me, a browser tab, and VibeMe AI. Let me show you exactly how I made this, from literally nothing, because I think your mind is about to do the same thing mine did. So here's the backstory. I had this idea for a song. I'm gonna call it Neon Ghost. It's like a late night city feeling, kind of melancholy, but with this electric energy underneath. Think The Weeknd meets Blade Runner. But here's the thing, I'm not a music producer. I can't afford a studio session. I don't have a videographer. So this idea has just been sitting in my notes app for months. And then I found VibeMe AI's web version. And I want to show you what happened when I actually tried it. No music theory needed, no production experience, no editing skills, just the idea. Let's go. So I'm in VibeMe AI Web. This is the browser version. No app download is needed. It works right here on your computer. I'm going to start with the AI song feature. I'll go to prompts to music. That's literally it. Now I'm clicking generate. While it's generating, let me just say, this is the part that used to require a producer, a mixing engineer, and a vocalist, costing around $2,000. Now I'm doing it all in a single browser tab. Okay, listen to this. That's the song. That's my song. The AI wrote the arrangement, generated the vocals, and mixed everything from a single text prompt.
I missed your call, it rang in the dark. A red screen glow on my window mark.
Now, here's where it gets even crazier. We're going to build a full music video around it. By clicking Create Music Video, we can create a complete music video. We just need to select the singer we want to perform our song. Now, click Generate.
You just gotta be fearless.
And now, here's the final music video we created from a simple short prompt. Just watch and listen.
It rang in the dark, a red screen glow on my window mark. My coat's still cold from the rain outside. I took the long way home just to kill some time. You left a trace on my old front seat.
Oh, one more thing I have to show you. You can take any photo, literally any portrait, upload it, add your song, and it animates the face to sing. Watch.
And I fade. Neon ghost, don't let go. Neon ghost, stay in my bones. Neon ghost, I still know. Neon ghost, you haunt me slow. Same corner store, same cracked red sign, same tired driver at the curb at 9. I buy 2 drinks out of habit now, then stand by the glass with my shoulders down. Your laugh keeps moving.
That's wild. You could use this for a character, a pet, a cartoon, anything. They also have one-click viral video templates if you just want to jump straight into a format that already works on TikTok or Shorts. Super useful if you don't want to build from scratch. Okay, honest reaction. I went in skeptical. I've tried a lot of AI music tools, and most of them either sound like ringtones or give you a video that feels completely disconnected from the song. VibeMe AI Web is different in 2 ways that actually matter to me. 1, the song quality is genuinely good. 2. The storyboard MV actually understands the song. Is it perfect? No. You'll want to iterate a few times. But the baseline quality is way higher than I expected for free. If you're a creator who's been sitting on a song idea, or you want to make content that looks expensive without the budget, this is genuinely worth trying. VibeMe AI's fully featured web version just officially dropped. You can now get this exact same creation experience on your computer. Click the link in the description to check it out. It's free to start. No credit card, no download, no production background needed, just your idea. The link is in my description, and I'm also pinning it in the comments. Go make something, and honestly, drop your VibeMe creation in the comments. Like the video if this gave you an idea. Subscribe if you want more tools like this. And I'll see you in the next one.